Puta na, paluan agad.
Unang possession ng Chunky. Rob team for the jump shot. No good, driven by Magayon. Tuwasan. Asal, tingin ko. Pati. Magno, Tubilaro. All the way. No good, driven by Magayon, Tuwasan. Take the shoot. Laban. No good, driven by Magayon for three. No good, driven by Magno. Foul. Who's our number 8. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Magno. Second shot. No good. Wala na ako ni Jake. Pass to number 13, Zuriaga. Zuriaga nasundutan, nasa pa rin. Bigay number 8. Number 8. Pass to Beth. Chan, bigay number 18. Diego for 3. No good. Wala na ako ni Jan. Nice steal nila. 2 points for all. Adoy, good the ball. Pass to Sen. Pinabigay Adoy. Susubok sa 3. No good. Wala na ako ni Ral. Pass to Sean. Sean disiscarte. Sean pull up J. No good. Di ba na ako ni Magno. Pass to Jazz. Jazz binigay kay Adoy disiscarte. Pass kay 28 for 2. Basket is good. Score natin. 0-2. In favor of 2. Sean nagdala ng bola. Ganto pa pisahan, pasok namin, irrigation. Run, susubok na 3. No good. Rebound nawa ng Liberty. Pass na number 11, Adoy. Out of pass to Zen for 2. Basket is good. Assisted by Adoy. Sean review the ball. Jack kuminin na low post. Tamang 1 bola. 2 points, no good. Just na 1 bola. Dahan-dahan nagmamadali. Just binigay kay Adoy libre. 2 points by Adoy assisted by Just Sean, nagkadal ng bola. Dahil napapasaan, didiskarte. Saksinaksak. No good. Bola na ako ni 28. Tatapigan ni Sean. Nakakuha ni Adoy. Dribble the ball. Adoy didiskarte. Adoy binigay kay Sen. Binigay kay Just. Tumira. No good. Bola na ako ni Ral. Pass to best. Sean nagmamadali. Sean sumalaksak. 2 points by Sean. Bang. Tatay ng bola. Pass to Adoy. Tutubok ng 3. Good bola. 28 for 2. Basket is good. Injury timeout. Substitution. Ganun. Yeah, they're taking the ball. Pass to number 5. 5 every team discard. Pass to number 8 for 3. No good. Diwan ako ni Just. Pass to Adoy. Binigay kay Sen. Discard na layup. There's a foul. Number 76 is your first personal foul, second team foul. First shot. Second shot. Short. Nalito si Idol.
dribbling the ball. Pass number 15. Back to Zaliaga. Pass to Ralph. Ralph Diliscarte. Ralph pumihit, tumira. 2 points by Ralph. Adoy dribbling the ball. Adoy pass to Zen. Traveling violation. Dribbling the ball. Bay, tinatrash talk mo ako, Bay, ah. Sean Diliscarte. Pass the shot. Don't do it now. Number 26. Nice kill. Number 15. Pass to Ralph. Pull up Jay. No good. Ball now on Jazz. Jazz Diliscarte. Jazz nakalusot. 2 points by Jazz. Official score 11-6 in favor of the blue team. 15, dribbling the ball. 15, session ng play. Pass to West. Sean Diliscarte. Sean nakalusot. Pass to number 15 for 2. No good. Ball now on number 26, Malco. Pass to Adoy. Pass to Jazz. Jazz, sumalaksak. Pass kay number 1, Zen for 2. Baskets good. Time out. Red team. Sub all. Welcome. From pass to number 15. 15, dribbling the ball. Pass to Sean Diliscarte. Sean, the layup. 2 points by Sean. Bango. Gio dribbling the ball. Pass to Jimmy. Pass to Gio. Pass to Ron. Tinira ng 3. So good. Ball na ako ni number 26. Pass to Jimmy. Umigot. 2 points by Jimmy. $15 na nga. Pass to number 2. Pepe. Tinira. 2 points by number 2. Gio dribbling the ball. Panalay King. Pass to Jazz. Jazz lay up. 2 points by Jazz naman. Paon. Pass to Bango. Bango Diliscarte. Bango cross over move. Sumalaksak. Layup. 2 points by Sean. Bango. Grabe naman yun. Gio, pass to Jazz. Nabitawan. Jazz Diliscarte. Nakalusot. 2 points by Jazz naman. Side-stepping move. Pass to number 5. Pass number 15. Nice in the Gio. Nagtatapikan Gio. Side-stepping move. 2 points by Gio. Number 2. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 6. For 3. No good. Call an hour on Jazz. Jazz. Pass to number 10. Jimmy. Tumira. 2 points by Jimmy Garcia. Paraon, dribbling the ball. Paraon. Pull up Jay. 2 points by Paraon. Ron, dribbling the ball. Ron, nakalusot. 2 points by Ron. Sean, dribbling the ball. Didiskarte. Pass to Ralph. Ralph. Sasalaksak. Titira ng dos. Bogey. Rebound na ako ni Keron. Keron. Pass to Jimmy. 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 Side-stepping move. 2 points by Jimmy Garcia. Sean. Dribbling the ball. Sean. Crossover move. Sean. Sumalaksak. 2 points by Sean. Ron. Pass to Jazz. Jazz, didiskarte. Tumira ng dos, 2 points. Napakabilis ng laruan. Official score, 29-16 in favor of Blue Team. Sean, didiskarte. Pass to 15. 15, nakalisot. Teardrop, 2 points. Gio, setting the play. For me. Gio play for me nga. No good. Bola na ako ni Ron for 2. No good. Na ako ni Ron. Ron, nagpapadali. Ron, 3-on-1 situation. Ron, no good. There's a foul. Foul by number 32. 32 is your first personal foul. First team foul. Inbounding the ball, pass to Sean. Sean for 3. No good. Bola na ako ni Ron. Pass to Jimmy. Jimmy, 1-on-1 situation. Layup. No good. Bola na ako ni Paraon. 50 seconds remaining. Paraon, dribbling the ball. Paraon, nakalusot, but there's a foul. Foul, the number 2. 286. 26 is your first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots para kay Paraon. No good. Second shot. Grabe ka naman, Jimmy Boy. Ano daw? No good. No out. Early bird, pumasok ng maaga. Gio. Pass to Ron. Ron, didiskarte. Ron, tirap, nahuli. Pass to 26 for 2. Lugod, rebound ako ng 5. Binalya, pass to Paraon. Paraon, nagpapadali. Pull up J, may pasabit pa. Foul, number 32. 32 is your second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots para kay Paraon. First shot, no good. Second shot, wala pa rin. Rebound na ako number 26, pass to Jazz. Jazz binigay kay Gio. Gio, play for. Pass to Ron. Ron, step back 3, huli. Rebound na ako ni Sean. 2 seconds. There's a foul. Double dribble. Dribbling violation. End of the first quarter. Official score, 29-18 in favor of Bosses. Franz, pitik ka na madami. Back to the ball game. Blue ball. Start the second quarter. Okay naman yung Adoy. Adoy, pass to Jimmy. Pass to Adoy. Adoy, nasundutan. Zuriaga pass to number 15, 2 points for number 15. Adoy losing the ball. Pass to Ron. Ron binigay number 1. Pass to Kobe, elbow for 2. Basket is good. Sean losing the ball. Sean lulusot, babangga, there's a foul. The number 1. It's your first personal foul, first team foul. Sean, dribbling the ball, setting the play, pass to Ralph. Ralph sasalaksak, basket is good. Foul, the number 66, it's your first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot para kay Ralph Lim. Dito, may ito, pass to Adoy. Adoy, giving the ball. Adoy, pass to Evo. Pass to Adoy, itira ng dress. Good. Wala na kanino, nakuha siya. Siya, nagbabalagin. Siya, natabigan siya, bumangga, kumikit, itira. There's a foul. Foul, the number 1. It's your second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots para kay number 6. No good, tira. Second shot. Pangalawang tira. Official score, 31-23 in favor of Blue Team. Jimmy for 3, no good. Rebound now by number 15. 15, wait lang daw. 15. 15, dribbling the ball. Pass to Zuriaga for 3, no good. Rebound now by Jimmy. Jimmy, dahang-dahang nagbamadali. Pass to Sensen, sasalaksak. No good. Rebound now by 28 for 2. Basket is good. 10 na po ang kalamangan ng Blue Team. Number 15, dribbling the ball. 15, didiskarte. 15, pass to number 8, binigay kay Zuriaga. 30, pass to Sean. Sean, titira ng 3, no good. Rebound na ako ni Keron. Natabigan, nakuha ni Keron. Pass to Ebok. Ebok, pass to Adoy. Adoy, pass sa ilalim, then pass to Ebok for 2. Oras natin, 7 minutes, 35 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Alfonso, Jimmy Bong. Nasundutan ni number 1, Jimmy, pass to Adoy, Adoy for 2. There's a foul by number 13. 30 is your first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots para kay Adoy Rizal. Pasok ako ng tira. Second shot, no good. Rebound now number 30. 30. Pass to Sean. Sean, didiskarte. Sean, prepare sa ilalim. Sean, bobomba. There's a foul. Foul, the number 1. 1 is your second personal foul. Third personal foul. 14 foul. 10 seconds. Sean, pass to Ralph. Ralph, side 7 move. 2 points by Ralph here. Adoy, pass to Sen. Sen, inag crossover, sabay ikot, pass to 28 for 2, no good. Rebound na ako ni Kuya Ralph, pass to Sean. Zuriaga, pinasa Pinasa kay number 15 for 2. 15. Pass to 1. 1. Full of J. No good. Outside. Sean dribbling the ball. Pass to Ralph. Ralph, didiskarte. Pass to Sean. Sean bigay kay number 13 ni Sobiaga for 3. No good. Rebound na ako na Adoy. Adoy, pass to Sen. Sen tumira ng Diyos. Basket is good. Sean. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to Sean. Sean, didiskarte. Sean, pass to number 13 for 2. No good. Rebound nagtatapigan. Outside. Save ball. Sean dribbling the ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Sean, bomba, PBA, titira, no good. Rebound na ako, number 28. Pass to outside. Pass to Sean. Pass to Saryaga. Pass to number 6. Pass to Ralph. 3,000 years violation. Oras natin 5 minutes 19 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Adoy. Pass to Jimmy. Jimmy sasalaksak, babali. There's a foul. Foul number 76 is your second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots para Jimmy. Unang tira. Ako. Second shot. Okay, rebound na ako na Ralph, good the ball. Ralph, didiskarte. Pepper sa titira. No good, pero foul. Foul, number 2. 66. 66 is your substitution. 66 is your second personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots para kay Ralph. So, ang unang tira. Second shot, no good. Rebound na ako ni Jazz. Jazz, nagkamadali. Jazz. 2 points by Jazz to run. Now play, nice steal. That one out. There's a foul. Foul, the number 28. 28 is your first personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots para kay Kuya Ralph. Pasok ko kung yung tira. Second shot, no good. Rebound na ako number 5. Number 5. Dahil na papasahan. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to Ralph for 2. Teardrop. Basket is good. Official score, 41-29 in favor of blue team. Just ang salaksak, pinasa kay number 28. No good. Pass to number 28. Number 12. Pass to outside. Substitution. good rep. Shell. Pass to 28. Pepeke. Pass to Shell. Pass to Ralph. Ralph, didiscarte. Ralph, pull up J. 2 balls by Ralph here. 10 na lang ang kalamangan ng blue team. 4 minutes para sa ating second quarter. Adoy, dribble the ball. Pass to 26. Pass to Jazz. Pinali kay Adoy. Adoy, didiscarte. Pass sa ilalim. Ebok for 2. No good. Rebound na ako ni Ralph. There's a foul. Foul number 26. 26 is your penalty. 26 is your second personal foul penalty. 2 shots para kay Ralph Hill. Unang tira, o good.
Bukas pre. Yan ka lang. Di ko pa alam.
Pangalang tira, pasok.
Ay, hayop ka, tinatrash talk mo lang. Dinidilaan pala ako ha. Hindi,
Gio, sumalagsak. Iwan kay Evo kay sila number 5. Pass to 28.
Radyo para matawa naman.
Si Bay, nagtatrash talk si Bay. Joke lang daw. 76. Pass to 2. No good. Rebound lang kanino. Outside. Ano yun, Bay? Joke lang yun. Joke lang. Para matawa sila. Just dribble the ball, sumalaksak. 2 points by Jastaban. Official score, 43-32 in favor of Blue Team. 3 minutes para sa ating second quarter. Number 2, dribble the ball. Pass to Ralph, pass to Shell. Pass to number 2. Pass to 28. Number 2, sumalaktak, natabilan, but there's a foul. No good. 11 is your penalty, 2 shots left. 11 is your first personal foul penalty. Unang tira, no good. Second shot, wala pa rin. Wala na ako ni Evo. Pass to Jazz. Jazz binigay kay Adoy. Adoy susubok sa malayo. Basket is good. 3 points. Karon, sulaksak. Iniwanan sa ilalim. Pass to number 28 for 3. No good. 26. There's a foul. Foul with number 12. Number 12, it's your first personal foul. Third team foul. Adoy dribbling the ball. Just sumalaksak. Pinaliwa pa. 2 points by Jastaban. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Number 2, pass to 28 for 3. No good pa rin. Rebound na ako ni outside. Chunkies. Oras natin, 1 minute 50 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Official score, 48-32 in favor of Blue Team. Back to the ball game. ball. Pupua, no good. Rebound that one, number 26. Pass to Jazz. Jazz losing the ball. Pass to Adoy. Adoy, natapigan. Bola na ako ni Shell. Shell, pass to number 2. Pepe again, titira, 2 points by number 2. Adoy dribbling the ball. Pass to Gio. Gio, pass to number 26, Magno. Gobi for 2, basket is good. Official score, 50-34 in favor of Blue Team. Nice to pass to Jazz. Jazz easy 2 points by Jazz Tobar. Number 12, pass to number 2. 45 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Gio for 2. Basket is good. 30 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Adoy, pass to Jazz. Jazz, Pepe again. 10 seconds. Adoy. 5 seconds. Adoy for 3. In and out. Round. And the second quarter. Official score 54-34 in favor of Blue Team.
Ano yun?
Sabi ko, pag-commentator mo.
Gusto mo mag-commentator, bye.
Sabihin mo na kung sa'yo nakashoot.
Ayaw ah. Alam ko pa lang yung picture ka na. Picture mo nga kayong dalawa. Bye! Alam ko yung picture na ito eh.
Nadamit lang ako. Pogi ni ba eh?
Ay, maganda ka. Maganda. Alam na.
Baka ba yan? Again. Ang layo. Iwan ko.
The ball game. Third quarter.
Siya uno. Ako na uno.
Andiyan ka na pala, di ko na pala sa'yo.
Parating mo na.
Chan, pass to the Excel, titira na press, rebound, outside.
Si San pala yung nawala ng team natin. Si San yung hindi naging captain ball.
Ayaw niya.
Captain ball. Ay, hindi ba?
Jan, good start. Pass to Seth. Seth, sa laksak. Pass to Jimmy for three. Napag-holding mo ngayon.
Pangit ah.
Chamba. Chamba po ganun. Diyan, kahit yung bola. Diyan. Pass to Sen. Sen, side step move. 2 points by Sen. Lang.
5 minutes na alis na naman.
Bakit?
Pero si Prince naman.
Sen. Convert na uli. Kanya pa rin. Tumuti ang Chico. Wala pa rin.
Wala silang big.
Diyan, sa ako bola. Pass to Sen. Bonding. Terry, rin na po. Pass sa corner. Iisa pa. Aba. Aba. Ang sinasabi mo yung Chamba. Sabi na po. Sabi na Chamba. Kasabi. Paralo na yung Malaysia. Napindot ni Idol.
Alin yung back?
Base 12.
5 minutes ah.
Gio. Eating drugs. No good. Rebound now on. Pass to Sen. Sen. Versa. Titiran. No good. Rebound now on the 10. Gio. Pass to number 1. Sen kaanak kita. Terus beliau. Last number 30 for 2 basket.
Ay mo.
Jimmy for 2 basket. Wah, kanina na ya. Kanina na yung idol ko. Sakado. Pass to the ceiling. Foul, number 10. 10 is score.
First.
First is the ball, first is the one shot. Rebound, Kabilan. Sabot by Jazz. Jazz, dahan-dahan ng pamadali. Jazz, pass to Sen. Sen, naharap ni Doriaga. Sen, nakalikot. 2 points by Sen. Commission score, 60-30 in favor of Blue Team. 38 to 2 for the press. Very good. Jazz to now. Jazz on 4. Foul, the number 6 secure. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots para kay Jazz to now.
Red! Pasok! Pasok daw.
Pasok daw.
Pasok ang pangalawang team. Seven, 38, Shine. Nakalusot. Shine to John. Gio, start. Gio, pass to Gio for 3. No good. Rebound now. Margo, 3. Gio, 3 points. May pa na nun. Gumagal na lang. Chan, over the ball. Chan, crossover move. Pass number 30 to Gio. Pass to Jimmy. Stop board. Time out. Sino time out? Red team. Runs.
Narag ka. Narag ka.
Back to the ball game. Pisa score 17-14. Naman po ang Dolphins.
Okay ka ba dyan o susunod siya?
Wala lang ako. Ikaw siya may camera.
Third quarter naman.
Sana lang mag-picture.
Nakasetting siya na. Mababa niya. Oo, kinabahan ko yung hindi na may ganun lang pero mas minimal na ako.
Diba yung sinabi ko rin sa'yo, ako ba nga sa mga kaya ko pinababa ako.
Alfonso yung ball.
Baby Giant pala kay Kuya.
Alfonso Cooler. Wala Alfonso. Adoy with the ball.
Nakasun pala line of the
Adoy. Pass to Garcia. Garcia fakes from downtown. And Jimmy Garcia. Ying with the ball. Pass to Legunay. Legunay to Pakaon. Pakaon to Yim. Yim for 3. No good to Rubay. Rubay Alfonso for 2. No good to Rubay. Pakaon. There's a foul. Basket. DJ Pakaon. Number 28 ba? Number 28 is yours. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First shot for Pakaon. Belago with the rebound. Belago all the way. No good. Lumabay Belago again. Belago to Magayon. Magayon for 2. No good. Lumabay. Alfonso with the ball. Pass to Pakaon. Pakaon to Yim. Buwabakbak sa ilalim. Kicks out to Pakaon. 5 to shoot. Alfonso with 2, no good, Rubay, Legunay, 2 points, no good. There's a foul on number 66. Number 66 is yours. Third personal fouls. Third team foul. First shot for Legunay.
Nakakailang na naman. Nakakailang 3 na to. Jimmy, nakakailang ka na. Nakakailang ka. Una pa lang. So, second half pa lang.
Official score, 76-46. Lamang po ng 30 ang kalaban. Velasco floater. No good, Rubay. Pakaon all the way. Pakaon. No good, Rubay. Legunay. Yim. Wala na po ba yung timeout?
Sa court meron isa.
Dalawa.
But injured.
Back to the ball game.
Sen, isang tres ka.
Last 4 minutes, one of the third quarter. Magayon to Garcia fake. Pass to Asal to Belago to Magayon, no good, lumabay, Jim to Alfonso, no good, lumabay, Belago. There's a foul. Number 76 is your third personal foul. Second team foul. Asal with the ball. Pass to. There's a steal. Sayang. 15 to shoot. Shot clock 1 and 15 to shoot. Ron Velasco. Pass to Velasco. 5 to shoot. Velasco. Turnover. Same ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Asal to Magayon. Magayon. Fade away. No good, lumabay. Velasco. Velasco for 3. No good, lumabay. Jim. All the way back. Jump shot. No good, lumabay. Palaon. There's a foul. Basket. Easy. Palaon. Who's foul red? Number 66 again. Number 66 is your fourth personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty.
May nga ako nagkapaw.
Gagawin ko ba kanina?
Nalaro na ako ng goal. Ha? Nalaro na ako ng goal. Ngayon, dapat 15. Hindi na ba? Basta siya.
Asal to Magayon. Bumali pa huli. Lagunday. All the way. Garcia all the way. Bumali. Let's see. Daniel Magayon. Official score 78-51. Palawan to the ball.
Red.
Alfonso Tulutuniaga. Hussein. Wow! Hussein ang tunay.
Wow! Ang ina mo, friend.
Naman, Asal, Tunaban again. Number 14, no good, no right. Alfonso Tulutuniaga. Okay. Asal, Lea. Wala, rebound din ang Gunday. Alfonso, Tindra, short. Rebound din naman. Lagi na ni Asal. Then stay foul. Foul by number 12. Lagunda, second personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Foul in. Alfonso. Asal. Gitna, Magno, Nabal, atake, Nabal, Leo. Binabas. Pero iba ni Magayo, turn around, jump shot, no good. Iba ni Nabal, binatos, siya. Same ball, 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Tapik. 9 seconds. Shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. Nabal. Ibigay. Doriaga. Nanalo kaya. Nakbo. Diwali ba ako? Puta. Ibigay. Palo. Ang ating score. 78-55. Sino ba? Ano ang coaching? Tama ba ako? Magayon, sidestepping move! Nice.
Galit po tayo.
Nice. Doriaga, pass break. Tigil. Garcia, nagkakabalo bola. Garcia, Doriaga. Rebound move. There's a foul. Reaching foul by number 30. Doriaga. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang. Apat pa lang. Sideline. Ulang. Pasal. 50 seconds sa ating third quarter. Pasal. Binigay sa kita. Magno. May versa. Drop pass to Magayon. Daniel Magayon. Lagundai. Binigay kay Bago. Lagundai. Libre. Sandra. Bilang ini naman. Pasal.
Ipasok. Si Gio. Garcia. Sana malakas. Nakakuha, tapikan, Garcia. Side 7 mo, binaba pa. Wala. Kaya nakaliba sila Gunday, binaba. Zuliaga. Bago, Kapersa. Umeke. Sumalpay. Wala, single. 3.7. Game clock. 3.7 seconds. Game clock. Bago. Zuliaga. Sumalpay. 0.4, meron pa, 0.4 seconds. Itaw. End of the third quarter.
Kasi pala team ng kuya. May big pa sila. Nice ko. Zero. Taas ko malo. Meron. Ay, yung ano, ointment. Kuya ba? Kuya yata ni
Kuya di Jimmy.
Alfonso. Alfonso siya?
Dito na lang.
Dito na.
Next game.
Sa taas sila doon, kaya sila kasoy. Okay. Start of the fourth quarter. Bola lang. Paano nito? Coaching. Ang tao, ang depensa ng Champions. Naval. Ligay. Hando ko poste. Joke lang. Gio, open na open. Gio, ikot pa. Journey. Gunday, susuko ka rin! Nasay, Bautista, binalik, Kensay. Nasay, Sino. Belaro, open. Pero Pumeke, open! Belaro!
Tingin na, tingin galit.
Belaro. Single. Ating shot clock, 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot.
Big man sila.
Second personal foul first.
Big man sila sa Elvin. Sigawan ng
Basket. Substitution. Andok lang.
ano yan? Sen. Isang tres, Sen. Tres.
Asal nagbamadali. Lucky foul. Down. By number 6. Bago. First personal foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Bautista inbound. Alabas. Asal. Nitira. Short. Rebound ni Ferran. Yim nagbamadali. Yim sasagat. Foul. Pushing foul by number 11. Asal is your third personal foul. Second team foul. Rebound. Raul. Open Benjamin.
on board. Bola, Baul. Baul, dapat sa Chris, Alban. Akikan, sino mananaid? Mananaid si Gio. Sinato kay Nabal. Nabal, tatagasa. Foul, basket. Justin Nabal. Foul. Sinibal. Number 30. Number 30, Luzuriaga. It's your third personal foul. Second team foul. On the shot, para kay Basti. Naman. Basket. And one conversion. Pero sa kapamunta ngayon. Laro tayo, susubok ulit. Wala pa rin. Lima punta. Lima kayo.
Parang nabitin ka. Hindi mo naubos yung lima.
Bautista, screen by Magno. Bautista, binigay kay Magno. Open na open. Super body number 30, Luzuriaga. Bola lang. Underball. Turnover. Underball po, underball. Yes po. Pasal. Pasal. Pinali Nabal. Bigay kay Nabal. Nabal. Screen by Bautista. Nabal sasagasa lilipad. Justin Nabal.
Senior din ba si kuya mo?
Bago sa gitna. Leo Pinaba. Jean Bago. Sky Civic. Pasal. Nabal.
Kapabidyo mo eh.
Pasal. Sen. Sen. Jab. Sen. Break. Screen by Magno. Crossover sa kabila. Dampot. Bautista. Bautista. Fake. Top spin move.
Naubos yung 24.
Substitution. Paraon in. Benjamin out. Ang ating score 87-59 sa ating fourth quarter. Lamang si Bossing Big Soto. Bago. Sa gitna. Nagutay. Grab low pass. Kawawa. Malabas. Fair out. Wow. Team. Jam shot. Pass. Walang rebound. Si Belan. Sen. Napadali. O na-open. Nawala. Nawala ang bola. Luzuriaga. Ang kanina sila. Mahal, binay, Kensang. Asal, Bautista. 7 seconds. 7 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Jam shot, Gio. Short na short. Nagutay sila to kay Paraon. Lea, PJ Paraon.
Sen, isang tres. Wala pa.
Bautista.
Ano ko pag wala akong salamin?
Galing ako opening eh. Nabal! Nabal! Lefty layup! Foul basket ulit! Justin! Garcia Armandi, di Nabal.
Magkapatid ano?
What a shot. Foul by number 30, Luzuriaga. Luzuriaga, warning for substitution. Tan, in, out. Luzuriaga, apat ka na. Warning for disqualification. Warning for graduation. Ikaw, nag-uusap ang magbayaw. 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 Bago. Swing by Paraon. Bago. Sasalak sa Umeke. There's it pa. Foul by number 26. And 28. 28 Magayon. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Tatlo ka na, kaya Daniel. Bagong first shot. Last. Second shot sa may bago. Short naman. Ang nakuha niya, kapitan siya, nakakuha sa line. Good shot, ang big man. Ang big man. Grabe ka ba yun? Kasal. Kasal, binigay, Magayon. Jam shot. Daniel Magayon. Grabe yun, pwede ikaw yung jam shot. Ebok na ebok. Nakamadali. Offensive foul. Offensive foul by number 2. EJ Pamaon meets yours, Sky. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Tatlo lang, 13 foul lang. Okay. Hindi, kasama pa din yun. Kasama pa din yun, wala nang penalty. Rebound by Magno. Magno sa Magayon. Magayon drop ball pass, Naval. Naval pumeke, binato. Ang nakakuha si Garcia. Garcia drop ball. Magno, pepersa. Natapikan. Magayon, jump shot open na open. Good ball. DJ Pamapon. Naval, sila diba ni Naval. Naval. Jump shot. Short. Rebound by Masa. Naval. Naval, jump shot 3. Sorry. Rebound by Lagunda. Lagunda, ibigay kay Pawag. Pawag na lang ito. Let's lay out. Ang nakakuha si Hasan. Hasan na nakakabang muna. Screen by Magayon. Nasal, ibigay ni Garcia. Naval. Naval sa gitna. Magno, open na open. Jezreel Magno. Bangun. Bangun. Utal. Pepper sa ulikot. Nakalibaw si Magno. Magno, bigay kay Garcia. Garcia, dive! Substitution. Belano in, Naval out. Ang ating score, 94-63. Fourth quarter na po. Remaining time, 2 minutes, 27 seconds. Binalya, teardrop. Tapikan na mag-uwi si Magayon. Magayon, tumigang po. Wala mo. Binigay kay Belano. Belano, sasalaksak. Sila rin na wing. Naka-rebound si Paraon. Paraon. Lea, pinamaba. Sisa Yilun. Okay. Nakakuha siya sa lasan. Pagkamano mo lang. Dinibensa at binigay kay Garcia. Garcia. Open na open, Magayon. Daniel Magayon. Assisted by Jimmy City. Binalya susubok sa pen. Rebound na ako si Garcia. Ating oras, 1 minute. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Garcia, W. Garcia, 3. Binalya, nakapikan. Nakakuha si Garcia. Garcia sa corner. Ato, Yasal, for 3. Rebound nakakuha si Malaon. Binalya, Binalya ka Malon. Reverse to kay Magayon. Magayon, umikot pa! Umikot!
Hirap naman.
Bawod siya. Ayun. Tana Bosses. Ano, mag-time out pa yun para ka nang gagago.
Ba yan?
LeBron James.
Okay na daw. Okay na daw. Passer. Okay na daw.
Okay
Good
na.
game, good game. Nag-concede na po. Okay na. Thank you.
Putang ina, hindi man lang ako nakapag-point na nag-concede. Walang dali. 25 seconds na lang. Alam ba, tan sa attitude?
Wala. So, ano lang, soulness na magalang.
May naipit na ugat kasi, no?
May naipit na ugat. At ito, okay na.